my channel. Today I've got this look for you. This is a special effects look. Basically I wanted to play with my airbrush and I wanted to paint a lot of lines and do a lace pattern. Which I soon regretted, but that's not the point. Like, we'll get there when we get there. Anyway, if you want to see more makeup tutorials, you can always subscribe to my channel. I do actually mostly wearable makeup looks, like one wearable makeup look, or at least wearable in my opinion, per week. And then occasionally I just toss in one of these sort of looks just because I really enjoy doing them. And there's lots more as well. So yeah, feel free to check out my other videos if you're interested. Also, if you want to see more pictures of makeup, you can always follow me on Instagram. I'll put my name down below here or here, but I think over here. It'll be somewhere in the bottom of the screen at any rate. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so I've already started with my foundation base just because this is probably going to be a very long, elaborate look. And I thought it'd just be wise to save some time by skipping the most boring part basically. It's just foundation, concealer, powder, a little bit of contour, blush and highlight. Nothing out of the ordinary, basically just a very basic makeup, even skipping the eyelashes and eyebrows. And what I'm going to do now is use my airbrush and mix some pink. You can also use an actual pink airbrush paint if you have one, but I'm going to have to mix it. Alternatively, if you don't have either of those, you can also just use a eyeshadow and a blending brush. So yeah, just suit yourself. My mixture sort of looks like that weird strawberry yogurt drink. We're going to see how it turns out. Okay, so this is supposed to look like pink patches. It sort of turned into a vintage pink. We're going to call it vintage pink and not puke pink. Just keep that in mind. I'm going to spot clean my airbrush now and then we're going to go ahead and make this a little bit better. I'm just going to blend it with a blush, actually a paler blush than the blush that I used on, not really paler, actually more like vibrant or orange, pink, than the one that I used on my cheeks. But I'm just going to go over the areas where I've already put the airbrush. And I'm just deepening them up and changing the color a little bit. Because one, I really should buy more colors of airbrush paint. Because I'm awful at mixing them apparently. And second, it's sort of difficult not to create wrinkles almost. On yourself. Just because, like if you're doing this on a model, you could just, ask the model to close her eyes. And if she's smart, she'll, do as you say. But she can just close her eyes or his eyes relaxed and not create wrinkles. But on yourself it's sort of difficult because you're closing one eye and then you gotta have the other eye open to still see what you're doing. I'm also pulling it in my inner corners here. And also a little here. And a little bit here. I'm also putting it here on my chest area just to make the color match a little bit better with the eyes. You could use a small brush for this as well, but I can't be bothered, so I'm just using a big one. Now I'm just going to outline with regular face paint and a striper brush, where I'm going to put the lace pattern. You could just glue lace on yourself, but I don't know, I wanted to paint it because I enjoy painting it on myself. Okay, so what I did here on my collarbone, yeah, that's what the thing's called, collarbone. I'm going to do that on my eyes as well, but a little bit smaller obviously, so I'll just pull you a little bit closer for that. Because I feel like I need a little bit more black in my face, I'm just adding a bit of outline. Just so there's a little bit more detail there as well. The falsies I'm going to use, they have glue on them now. They're actually sort of paper-ish, paper-like, with sort of a lace pattern. So I'm not going to do mascara, I'm just painting my waterline pale and leaving it that for now. I'm also going to put a little bit of pink liquid lipstick in my, pretty much in the center of my lips, and then dab it out. Okay, so this is how they look. I think they look pretty cool. However, I do think I'm going to use some other bits and pieces of it for other looks as well. Just because I feel like it sort of disappears against the lace that I painted on. But nevertheless, I do think they're very cool. And that leaves us with the final results. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. And really, this is really something I recommend doing if you're either a masochist or if you just really want to practice at drawing lines on yourself. Like, I gotta say, something like this is so much easier to do on someone else. Because on someone else you can just actually look at them and paint it. Whereas on yourself you need to do it in the mirror because I can't bend my neck far enough to look here. So yeah, it's just a really cool challenge, and I think it's a very, very good way to practice drawing straight lines on yourself. I still need to practice, obviously. But yeah, anyway, I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please click the like button, it would really help me out. If you want to know exactly what I smeared and sprayed on myself today, you can find it below in the video description. However, as always, if you don't have the exact same products, no problem, just use something similar. And yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you'll have a wonderful day and I hope to see you next time. Bye!